Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome. A bold fusion of American muscle and modern innovation, this motorhome redefines what it means to travel in style. First, let's talk about the interior. Ford's Mustang heritage is all about power blended with comfort, and the 2026 motorhome carries that DNA beautifully. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious cabin that echoes Mustang-inspired design cues, from leather upholstery with signature stitching to brushed aluminum finishes. The living area features sport-style reclining seats, a widescreen OLED display, and a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system for an immersive entertainment experience. The kitchen comes equipped with modern conveniences like an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, and a built-in espresso machine. The bedroom offers a queen-size memory foam bed with Mustang embroidered details, while the ensuite bathroom is fitted with high-end fixtures and a walk-in shower, ensuring comfort and practicality on every journey. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is instantly recognizable. With its aggressive front fascia inspired by the Mustang's iconic grille and sleek LED headlights, it combines the muscle car's signature style with RV proportions. The aerodynamic bodywork reduces drag while maintaining a bold road presence, and the dual-tone metallic paint options emphasize its sporty character. A motorized awning creates an outdoor lounge area, while 21-inch alloy wheels and Mustang badging add a unique touch of exclusivity. Built on a reinforced yet lightweight frame, this motorhome strikes the perfect balance between durability and agility, making it easy to handle on highways and winding roads alike. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome does not disappoint. Under the hood, it packs a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 derived from the Mustang Shelby GT500, tuned to deliver both power and efficiency for long-distance touring. Paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission and adaptive suspension system, it ensures smooth cruising even across challenging terrains. Advanced drive modes, including Eco RV and Sport Tow, allow drivers to tailor performance to their needs. The motorhome also comes with Ford's latest Co-Pilot 360 driver assist suite, making navigation, lane keeping, and parking remarkably easy for a vehicle of its size. It's a true blend of Mustang muscle and RV versatility. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is positioned as a high-performance luxury RV, and its pricing reflects its exclusivity. With a starting price of around $350,000, it offers a more accessible entry point compared to ultra-luxury motorhomes, while still delivering world-class design, performance, and technology. It's not just an RV, it's a Mustang experience built for the open road. To sum up, the 2026 Ford Mustang Motorhome is a groundbreaking fusion of iconic design, thrilling performance, and practical luxury. It offers drivers the excitement of Mustang heritage combined with the freedom of motorhome living. Whether you're planning a coast-to-coast adventure or simply want the ultimate expression of style on wheels, the Mustang Motorhome delivers in every category. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.